This is my Apex Alien compound bow with a vapor trail riser and a fuse sight on it. And I was using a biscuit, but I found the biscuit actually, even though that damage isn't done by that, it's because of a bolt that I have to fix tomorrow. I'll have a couple of shots at the target, which is 10 meters away from the back of the car. This is the third time I've been up here. Last week and the week before, both times a rock has hit the ground over there. There have been sounds over there, and that bird up in that tree has turned up. And I think it just left. Oh no, there it is on that branch, the top one heading down. And it has been there and remains there for hours. The last 2 weeks, that has turned up and been there for 2 to 3 hours and just watched. After a rock thump over there. Now today I came up here and I went up the far end and put the sight the other way. No bird turned up, no thump, no noises. Then about 20 minutes ago I came to this end, put it out. Before I fired a shot, there was a thump over there. That bird started squawking and flew from that direction up to that tree. And then I got this camera here, which is a camera that's done all my set at 80 times zoom work. And I put on that tripod, and before I could focus it, it took off, flew high in the sky, and then flew back over that way. So what I'll do now is I'll fire 3 shots at the target, and then I will attempt to see if I can record it and get it taken off again. But it will sit there and it will do nothing but watch. Personally, I think Bigfoot can control birds. I think they work together. Maybe he can see out of that bird's eyes. I do not know. But what I do know, the link between that bird and what is strong enough to jump in that river or throw a rock that hard are 100% linked, without any doubt. Okay, I'll just move this over here and I'll zoom in. And have a couple of shots. It's a 55-pound Apex Alien crossbow. And the peep sight's broken, so I'm firing it at 10 meters with a broken peep sight. But I have a new one to put on it, so no drama there, it's probably really old. Okay, that's pretty good really. I do intend improving on that, but a drop down release is definitely get one. It saves your arrow feathers or whatever you want to call them instantly. Now that bird still sitting there. He'll sit there for hours. He won't go the whole time I'm here. He won't go till I'm gone. So what I'll do is I'll point this camera on him and zoom in. And how he knows the other camera will see him is beyond science. Now I'll set up the other camera on the laptop and we'll see if he does it again. I'm using telescope software and on it. Hopefully. Come on. Here we go. Okay, now start recording with this. And just start aiming it with my eye. Okay, here goes. Come on. Incredible. He's not going to this time. There he is. Sitting on that branch. The one to the left halfway down. Doesn't look like a bird though. Clever. Okay. What I'll do is turn that on stop. Now the thing to do is I'll try. I don't have two of these, so what can I try? I can lift that up and maybe on the roof of the car try something. No, it ain't gonna work. Okay, where are you? Where's a tree? Come on. Right. Let's see if I can get that. Come on. To stay there. Come on. Right. Now. That's on there. No, I need another mount. I'll see if I can get him to go and then photograph it and see if that's not there. It's about the only thing I can do.